my channel, Claudie Cooks. It's the Christmas season, yeah! So over the next few weeks, I will be showing you some of my favorite Christmas dishes. I'm kicking it off with some turkey drumstick, a great alternative to a whole turkey. And I'm serving this with some super delicious and easy gravy. Do you want to see how I've made this? Let's get started. Wash your turkey drumstick with some vinegar and some lemon juice and dry them with some kitchen paper. I'm adding some green seasoning here, but it's optional, followed by some olive oil and homemade seasoning blend, which will be linked in the description below. Don't skimp on the seasoning. Sprinkle generously over the turkey legs and give it a really good massage so the legs take on all of the flavors. Give them a good massage so that they can take on all of the delicious flavors. Once that's done, set them aside to marinate for at least an hour. Overnight is even better. Time to prep the vegetables. I'm using celery and carrots here and a whole bulb of garlic, and I'm gonna cut them in halves and then place them into the baking tray. I'm going to be adding all these vegetables to some washed and clean chicken wings. This is to get the best gravy you've ever had. Arrange the vegetables equally over the chicken wings. We need some aromats to the mix, so I'm adding some fragrant rosemary, some thyme, some sage, and some oregano. Followed by a large red onion that I've quartered. And the bay leaf. Place the marinated turkey legs on top of the vegetables. Spread some room temperature butter over the legs to keep them moist, but also to add some delicious flavor to the gravy. Pour a pint of chicken stock into the baking tray and cover with double layers of baking foil. Now, doesn't that look lovely? I think it does. It's time to go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, take them out the oven and turn them over before putting them back in the oven for the next 30 minutes uncovered. Don't forget to baste them before putting the tray back in the oven. After testing the gravy, I felt it needed a little bit more seasoning, so I add a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning over the legs and then baste some more because we want these turkey legs to be moist and tasty. Look how delicious and crispy the skin look on this. I can't wait to eat it. Place the turkey legs on a serving plate because it's going to be time to make the gravy. But in the meantime, you need to cover them with some foil to keep them warm. Look at them, don't they look yummy? You can see here now I'm going to be mashing out some of the chicken wings and the vegetables. This is just to release a bit more meatiness so we can have a rich and delicious gravy. Now for the roux, add some butter to a pan and melt it before adding some flour. Cook that off for a minute or two. Then add some chicken stock and keep on mixing until it reaches the desired consistencies as shown in this video. Now it's looking really rich and creamy, ready for the pan juices from the roasted turkey. Here I'm using the spoon to extract as much of the flavor from the wings and the vegetables to really give that gravy a real richness and depth. I'm doing this in stages because I didn't want to overfill the sieve. Look how glossy the gravy is looking already, and it's not even done yet. To elevate the flavor, I'm adding some red currant jelly, some butter, and some rosemary and oregano, but off camera I added some ketchup and some mustard and mixed black pepper and some liquid Maggi. Stir and simmer for 20 minutes uncovered before pouring over the turkey. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and stay tuned for the next video.